Okay, okay. Hopefully my TPA RNG blesses this run. Okay, this is some bullshit. Yes, Dread, I understand. I understand.
The safe area.
I completely understand. I completely sold by forgetting the record button, like a genius.
You are now entering a safe area. Warning.
Oh, crazy, crazy pop. Okay, well, TPA RNG wins again. We love TPA RNG. We love it so much. I got your favorite. I got. Ooh, wait, hold up. Red, do you find any long ammo? Just a little question. Well, if you find long ammo, I got a redeemer. No, they're completely different guns. Yeah, you're real funny. Now remember, you have to do majority of the killing. Because I have done SSS. Remember, use those crazy things. I will organize the day. Yeah, I know.
So I did solo Sludge Queen Night 1. It was very cool. But I'm in Operation Midnight and now I'm gonna die. Stinks.
New challenge, like a new thingamajig.
I think I could probably lock it.
I don't know.
Just maybe.
I wonder what they're gonna do for the challenge. I wonder what they're gonna do for it.
What do you mean?
I don't know what they're gonna do for it.
It's out.
Well, yeah. But we can speculate on when it gets added to agency terminal.
Oh, well, it's on the thing. I'm presuming they aren't changing anything.
Probably, well, it's in game, but like the actual agency terminal. Waiting for it. I'm curious on what they're gonna do with it. Red, why do you ping backpack? Why do you?
Really just spawned in, gave me every debuff, and then left.
Oh, crazy! It's the crazy! Damn it! Oh, wait, well, that's a cleaver. Oh god, it's a demon. Sir, please do
Wait, I'm
not.
not dead? Oh, okay, so you get 1 night to prep.
That's maybe
Wait.
not even. You have like
Wait, it doesn't
one
even
night,
work.
and you most of the time
does
you
it
be
work?
spending killing Sludge Queen.
I think it gives you 1 night to prep.
By the way, if, since you're in it right now, does the game automatically like fail you?
No, I'm pretty sure it doesn't give you time to prep. I'm pretty sure it just doesn't work. 'Cause I didn't get killed.
Crazy. We are in the age of when the game now can check for the reviewers.
What?
Fringe, I got the knife. Red, we are not doing lab.
I always like fail on High Priest.
Well, High
Bad
Priest
crap.
got buffed to where he's no longer cheesable.
You can still shove him.
Yeah, I know shoving him, but you know, you have to get close to him, and that usually allows him to, you know, light you up.
Game. Or,
Ah, get away from me, demon. Demon spawn. So I have a quick question. I've always wondered this. How do the scabs, like, tell the difference between our gunshots and scab gunshots?
they just know.
They're just epic gamers. Yes, Dread, I know. When they patched duping, I too cried my eyes out.
Jeez. Even you?
Wait, what? No, Dread, I am no duper. You must not dupe as I have. Pretty.
Warning. Hostiles detected.
Alright, Dread, do you think you can kill Sledge Queen with these two guns? They're both slightly loaded. Dread. I'm gonna... get away from me, demon.
Area defense.
Dude, I don't have any time.
Alright, Dread. Dread, use the gun. Get ready.
This sucks ass. This sucks ass. Oh no. You know, Model 870.
Dread, I can't use that. Dread, that's not how survival works. It's so mean.
They have to add Model 870 damned downer. You have to kill him with damned.
Dread, I am not using the backpack. I am no noob. You are a noob. You are noob the goober.
Now leaving the safe area.
Wait, Dread, give me 20 scraps. I may have found a fire your ass, PC. Alright, give me 2 scraps. Literally give me 2 scraps. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Oh. Alright, well.
Yeah, it doesn't kill you.
Okay.
I'm surprised.
No.
It doesn't.
So, I was expecting it to explode you.
Yeah.
You can't drop more than less than 10 now.
Lab.
Alright, Dread, are you ready for the epic showdown? I'm greedy. Dread, what the hell did you do? Abort mission, abort the mission. You have fucked up. You have fucked up. You have fucked up on a major league level. What?
Now entering a safe area.
You are not dying. You are perfectly healthy.
That's what he told me. I was bleeding out.
Warning. Hostile presence detected.
Red, walk out behind you. Oh, wait.
Area secure.
Red, how are you half dead? Heal up. We're gonna get this night. I need to... Oh. Well, I'm gonna have to use hemo staff during the fight. You're lucky that it is an infinite artery, so I don't know why you're complaining. Are you fucking kidding me? I got it.
Warning. Now leaving the safe area.
Alright, get the gun. Wait, Red, come over to me. Where is it? Thank you. Alright, get ready. We're gonna go kill Sludge Queen. Let's see if Infringe can time a dynamite. So, challenge level. Impossible. I am terrible at timing dynamite. Too late. Alright, use the gun I gave you, remember. Oh my god, Sludge Queen. Sludge Queen, no! He's, a little free. Nice job. Alright, the Raiders I don't think will be here in time. Red, I am completely fine. I have... Wait, Red, can you give me 100 salvage? Real quick. Come over here, quickly. 100 salvage. Too late. Too late. We'll do it next night. I would expect you to be across the map. Alright, remember, since this is SSS, just spam your guns. There's no need for ammo conservation. You just spam, and you win. Why even bother? Alright, Reddit. Can I have the salvage? I'm gonna go make the gun.
Warning. Hostiles detected.
Can I have 200 minimum? I need another 100. That's pretty funny. Thank you. Alright, you got that. What? Red, it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna lure out the scabs since they're like right here. Ah, that evil spaz scab. Evil. Anyway. Oh, even more evil. Evil's everywhere.
Warning. You are now leaving the safe area.
Red, come over to me. I'll give you a high kappa. Yeah, that's right here. Hey, remember me, Spaz Gav? There's no way we'll artery again. How do you get artery again? We have just get back to base.
You are now
Where's the
entering the
tourniquet?
safe area.
What? Red, I understand, but just don't die. I know that's literally the worst possible advice, but do anything it takes to survive. If you die, they're gonna kill me. Well, I don't think we have any stealing. For now, just use the shotgun. bring them to you. Go through!
Warning. Hostile presence detected.
I want to do a lap rate with this thing. This thing go off something. Got that. Alright, if I do find a executioner... Actually, can I have the rest of your scrap? Pretty please. It's for charity. Give me the rest of your scrap. I need it for executioner. You can live without high kappa. I can get you another high kappa. Oh, really? Red, 20 extra light ammo can be found in the castle compared to making another high kappa with our last reverse solid. Dude, I get a scavenge with these. Oh, that's crazy. What? How's my knee? Huh? These guys are being mean, I know, right? Hey, TPAs, this is Fridg. Can I request a airdrop of an M249? Thanks. I4S? Crazy work. Actually, you know what? I might actually take this. So. Stealth is optional. The light is nice. Do we have any firebombs? Yes, we do. Okay. Yes, right.
Warning. Incoming hostiles.
Hello, Scavenger. They're all gonna die. Alright, Greg, you go loot. I'm gonna go spend 90% of the game of Castle. Lovely.
Warning. You are now leaving the safe area.
Hello, sir. What?
Readings indicate this area.
I think I'm gonna get stage 2. Doesn't matter. Oh, well, traded stage 2 for a UMP. Yeah.
Warning. You are now leaving the safe area.
I mean, it's just like a 10% moving debuff. It's not that bad. But the challenge is easy, so...
You are now entering the safe area.
It is that bad, fridg? Nope. I don't believe you. I think you're a paid actor.
Warning. Hostile forces approaching.
Alright, Greg, go do your work. I will work my case, I guess. We are definitely low on swim. As in, we have done. Red, try to bring back any bandages and stuff. Get, like, splints and stuff, we're gonna do. Trust me.
Area secure.
That's great. We have ammo on the floor.
Warning. Now leaving the safe area.
Oh, medium and light. I can give you 50 light, but I have to get back from the castle. Just scrap it. We have the HK. Oh, this is a jackpot. No. Wait, did I? My bad. Just press G. Just press G on it. I mean, unload it. I'm so used to just saying, scrap it for ammo.
You are now entering a safe area.
You almost made me fail. Are we being for real?
Warning.
Are we
Now
being
leaving the
real?
safe area.
Are we being super serial? I was a scrapper. Well, if you scrap something, if by complete accident, just drop it. Just drop the scrap. No? You dare defy me? I can't believe you would defy me.
Readings indicate this area is safe.
You press X. Alright, here's some light ammo. I scanned them. Here, stand back. Time for the name. We're fine. Wow, that was really good RNG. Like, all those are low tier melee stabs. Because they think they're sludge queen. They're not. Again, because they think they're sludge queen.
Warning, now leaving the safe area.
No. You will never find a splint. You will enjoy your 400 I4S, and you are going to like it. I will also have to come to the fact that I am not getting a executioner. Yes, your 200 medkit. Idiot, slither, dead, noob.
Readings indicate this area is safe.
Well, that's good, actually. We have a hemostat that can make up for the no splint. And it will cause bleed as well, but we mostly want splint. Alright, yeah, we're winning.
Hostile
Our
presence
RNG
detected.
winning. Red. Don't make me do this.
Area successfully.
I'm gonna spend most of the night just making me happy. Fine with me. We got extra time.
Now we're exiting the safe area.
Fortnite! Anyway.
Now entering a safe area. Warning. You are now leaving the safe area.
Missed what? What? Will Splint what? I mean, yeah, if you, shoot as fast as you
We
can,
need to indicate this
absolutely.
area is safe.
To start? Maybe not, but yeah. I'm sure you know what you're doing. Until Yosef, well, at Yosef you're usually on Hemosac and Ibrex, so you shouldn't be cooked. Let me see if this pays off.
Warning. Incoming hostiles.
Good job. Red, use the backup. Red, pop the backup. Alright, stand back. Stand back. Alright, here comes ours. Okay, wait. That's an off scan. Guards are coming from right side, get ready. Alright, that's my one guard. Everything else get for yourself now. Use Cypheress. Use Cypheress and get ready for Yosef. Use that gun. That gun kills him. Alright, I will kill the last enemy for you. Okay, alright, get ready. Here's your time to shine.
Heavily armored hostiles detected.
Congratulations on doing your first smackdown. And still, you got
Area secure.
Congratulations. Hopefully there's, I did pretty much nothing other than loot, so... That's up to the reviewer, my good sir. We won, as in we won without scrapping, as duo driverless, so... Yes. You don't have to show anything. Congrats. Alright, let's see what my pings are. Because I had like 8,000.